Pranamami Muhurmuhu. My respect and best wishes to Swami Sarvalokananda ji, Swami Ishatmananda ji, and other respected monks assembled here in this hall, and my best wishes and namaskar, respect to all the devotees of Ramakrishna Mission, now New Delhi. Actually, you are devotees of Sri Ramakrishna, and you are devotees of our headquarters also, Ramakrishna Mission, Belur Math. Once I was asked by Bhuteshananda ji Maharaj, in which place you belong. Then I told I belong to Sharada Pit. Sharada Pit is adjacent to Belur Math, but he told no, you should tell I belong to Belur Math. We all belong to Belur Math. Actually, Sarvalokananda ji, Shatmananda ji, all the monks here are from Belur Math. We travel like armies. We are posted from here to there. I sometimes look at the gates of BSF, Border Security Force. This is this battalion of BSF. But I know these boys are the BSF Jawans. They will be shifted soon. Within 1 month or few weeks, they will be shifted to another place. Like that, we are actually all children of the Holy Trio. It is a great fortune to be with so many devotees, especially of the capital, New Delhi. Once I went to Gangotri and I met one old monk, Lakshman Das ji. Lakshman Das ji, when I arrived, he told, I have a great pleasure to see you. Then he told that seeing the sadhus gives me pleasure. Really, similarly, seeing the sincere devotees of our Sangha, which you are, we get delighted, we get pleasure, we feel really blessed that we are connected to so many people of Delhi. Not only Delhi, everywhere. We have a huge mass of devotees whose heart, as Thakur said, is the parlor of God. Bhaktir Hriday Bhagavanir Boitakkhana. So you have heard or listened to a very beautiful speech by Swami Shatmananda ji Maharaj. He is a very good speaker. Like him, I am not. Anyhow, I tell you in short, Sri Ramakrishna, the great master, said once, 3 things are to be known. Which are these? In Bengali he said, Ami ke, tumi ke, amar sate tomar ki samparko. Who am I or who are you? And what is the relationship between the two? Actually, we are children of Sri Ramakrishna. I am also a child of Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna is God. Just now we heard the beautiful song, Ramakrishna Bhagavan. And we have a relation from birth to birth, actually, from past lives, 84 crores, lakhs of lives, we are the children of God. In the Upanishad, it is said, in Shatashvatara Upanishad, that the Parabrahman, Parameshwara, was being manifested. He first manifested as Hiranyagarbha. They have given only a short few steps. Then Virata. Then he was born as the children of man. মনুষ্যাদির শিশু রূপে তিনি প্রকটিত হয়েছিলেন, জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন। Now I think that if these old men or senior devotees, they are not the God. Really, when we were children, we were God. So the Godhood or the divinity, it does not disappear. So Swamiji said, each soul is potentially divine. The goal is to manifest the divinity within. Let me tell you one story of this is my experience in jail. I used to visit about 50 jails now said correctional home of Bengal. I came to even Almora district jail I went, Lohaghat sub jail I visited, Allahabad Raini jail I visited, Vijayawada jail I visited. Similarly, I used to go. So one day at Sivdi jail, one boy, about 30-year-old, he told, I want to tell something. Our satsang was almost over. আমাদের কথাবার্তা শেষ হয়েছে, we allowed him. Then he quoted a beautiful saying of Lord Krishna, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam Yomi Bhaktya Prajachati Tadaham Bhakti Upaitam Asnami Prajatatmana. If a devotee offers a little amount of water or a leaf, any leaf, no leaf is prescribed there, then a fruit and any flower, then I accept this and bless him, the devotees. I am pleased with the devotees for his devotion. When I was entering, Maharaj was telling about Bhakti Sutra. So this boy told like this. Then he started explaining about water, leaf, fruit, and this flower. He said at first, who will give us Ganges water to worship the Lord here in the jail? But brothers, we have a very purest water with us. That is the tears. With tears water, you try to wash the feet of the Lord. Put this, offer these tears to him. ঠাকুর বলছেন এক জায়গায়, মানুষ বিষয়ের জন্য কত ঘটি ঘটি কাঁদে, তার জন্য কাঁদে কই। তা আমাদের অশ্রু জল সেটা হচ্ছে সব থেকে পিওর। Then he was a great Vaishnava, but he said Billo leaf is the best leaf. Then he said Billo leaf also who will give us in this jail? Then he explained Billo leaf also is with us. He showed the two eyes, not normal eyes, which we see. These two are the lower two leaves, and at the center of this forehead, there is the third eye, that is the third leaf of Billo leaf. And this is the connector, he was showing like this, that this is the connector, this place. So offer this leaf, Billo leaf, at the feet of the Lord. Meditate on him, think of him only. Then he said, though we are in the jail, we will speak the truth. We will not harm anybody. We will always think of the welfare of people sitting in the jail. He was really a great devotee. He was caught in the net of police for no fault of his own. After 6 years, he was acquitted. And for no fault of his own, it was ultimately judgment was like this. So he said, these human values are nothing but best flowers. In the Manasa Puja mantra it is there, Ahimsa Paramam Pushpam, Pushpam Indriya Nigraham, Daya Pushpam, Kama Pushpam, Jnana Pushpam Cha Panchamam. Before that 10 flowers are there, Amayam, Anankara, Maragam, Amadam, etc. Ultimately the 5 flowers. So this he said that the good qualities of human being, these are nothing but flowers to be offered at the feet of the Lord. Inculcate at least one flower in your garden. This is Ketra, Gita says in 13th chapter. Then he said, we do so many types of work. We cook, we garden, we clean the offices. In this way, one prisoner has to do so many works. Offer the fruit of one work at the Lord's feet. Etat karma phalam Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. This samsara is also a karagar. When I started work in jails, then a devotee from Calcutta told, Maharaj, you are doing service to the prisoners. We are also in prison. What type of prison? Then he told, Samsara is a Karagar. So you please do something for us. Then I told Calcutta Swamis are there. Golpad Swami, Sabhapadishan Swami, at that time he was there. Perhaps. So everybody, I quoted Narendrapur, Sardapit, they will be serving you to get out of the Sansara Karagar. Actually, Ramakrishna Mission was established for that. When Naren was asked, what is your aim in life? He told, I want to be like Sukdeva. I want to be merged in Samadhi. Then Thakur told Chi, woe to you. He said, I expected or I wish till now I believe you will be a banyan tree. Big banyan tree, under which so many people will come and take shelter. Actually, Ramakrishna Mission New Delhi, Ramakrishna Mission Belur Math, all the centers are like big banyan trees where people come for mental peace. Now, before conclusion, I tell you another experience. I was taken to St. Louis, one big bazaar, big market. Then Maharaj told it is like a grocer shop in India. But you know, it is a very big grocer shop. 24,000 of articles, separate articles are available here. But one thing is not available, even if you pay crores of rupees. What is that? Maharaj told, this is actually mental peace, stability of mind, lack of restlessness. So this you will not find in big bazaars. When I travel, then I see new bazaar are being opened. Very big shops are opened, and selling different articles. Anyhow, and where to get this? This is actually God's name, God's word. Dharma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga, all these yogas actually lead us from untruth to truth, from darkness to light, from death to immortality, and from sorrows to this peace. So this is the actually religion. Once one master, a guru, like Zen master, he was asked, what is the essence of spirituality? He said in a short form, he was asked that you give it in very brief. Then he told, I will say it in one word, that is silence. Then he asked how to achieve silence. Then he told meditation. If you do meditation, then you will be silent. Your speeches will be less. Mukha swadanavat, like that. Then you will be mukha. You cannot tell anything. Another day, the same master was observing silence. Apani achari dharma jibere shekhar. He advised for silence, then he was keeping silence on that day. Then a pilgrim, almost running, he was going. Then he saw a guru is sitting. Then he came and told, Sir, can you give me in brief what is the essence of religion? Dharme Sharki. Then he wrote in a paper, awareness. Then he told, it is very short, you please increase it. একটু বড় করে দাও, এক্সপ্যান্ড করে দাও উপদেশটা। সেই সময় then he took pen and gave a comma, then wrote awareness. Again a comma, then awareness. Then he said, the pilgrim asked, what is the meaning of these awarenesses? Then he told, he wrote again in writing because it was silence day for him. He told awareness mean awareness only. Thakur said this, manus to manus. Beware that you are a man. Mother says that if you have any kubhava, bad feeling, evil feeling, kama, krodha, then you think of the feet of the Lord. ভগবানের চরণ, ভগবানকে স্মরণ করো যদি মনে কোনো কুভাব আসে। Awareness and silence. Actually, these are the this is the goal actually. After so much practice of sadhana, people reach silence. So much meditation, we reach silence. With this I conclude, and I pray to Holy Trial Thakur Maha Swamiji to bless you all and keep you in peace and with the ideas, you will lead with the ideas of the Holy Tribe. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.
प्रणाम महाराज भाइयों